Introducing the Airbag Backpack with a review. A quality backpack designed for comfort and style with several innovative features. Introducing the Airbag Backpack with Pump, the ultimate travel companion for efficient packing and convenience. Utilize the one-way valve for electric or manual compression, optimizing luggage space with minimal effort. This vacuum-sealed travel backpack features a multi-layer waterproof design, keeping your clothes dry even if submerged. Expandable with vacuum compression, it offers up to 60 liters of equivalent capacity comparable to a 24-inch suitcase, with 20 liters of total capacity. Secure your belongings with an integrated combination lock and a discreet back zipper pocket for valuables. Crafted from robust Oxford cloth, this backpack withstands diverse weather conditions for all your travel needs. Ideal for daily commutes, getaways, business trips, or as a thoughtful gift for avid travelers, and is carry-on compatible. Experience versatile durability and peace of mind with the Airbag Backpack's anti-theft design. Travel smarter and lighter with the Airbag Backpack, your perfect partner for every adventure. The positive aspects of this include vacuum compression system, expandable design, anti-theft features, carry-on compatibility, durable build quality, and comfortable and ergonomic. The negative aspects of this include vacuum pump usage, weight, price point, learning curve, limited color options, and capacity is 20 liters. Rated 4.5 stars. See description for full review including pros and cons. Order today for $119. Feel free to send any feedback.